Welcome. This is Dr. Aviva Gaskill, and I'm going to be leading you on a mindfulness exercise. First, we'll be concentrating on your breathing. Then we'll be moving to a muscle relaxation exercise, and then into a visualization. I want you to get comfortable in your seat. Feel free to relax. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. And just listen to the sound of my voice. The practice of mindfulness is always just bringing your mind back to relaxing. You may hear my voice get a little bit slower and a little bit lower, but always working on bringing your mind back to the sound of my voice. First, I want you to concentrate on your breathing. Breathe how you feel most comfortable at your own pace. I want you to relax your breathing and let it flow however best suits you. As you breathe in, filling your lungs with fresh, clean, calming air. And as you breathe out, breathing away all the worries and all the stress of the day. Breathing in relaxed, comfortable, calming air. It soothes you as it fills your lungs. And breathing out all the worries and all the stressors. As you breathe in clean, calming, comfortable air, blow away those worries and those stressors as though they're on a cloud. And with every breath out, those worries, those stresses get further and further into the sky. You're breathing in relaxed, clean, calm, comfortable air, and breathing out all that worry and all that stress, all that frustration and hurt. And as you breathe out, that cloud of worry, that cloud of stress gets further and further into the sky, further and further away from you, until it's just a tiny pinprick in the sky and finally disappears entirely. You can just breathe in here, clean, calming, comfortable air. It's relaxing and it's soothing. Stay here for a few minutes, just breathing if you like. Or if you wish, you can come with us and concentrate on relaxing your body. Bring your attention to your toes, the bottoms of your feet. You may feel them getting heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your feet feel heavy, as though they're gently melting down into the ground, like a candle as you watch its wax gently drip down. Your feet feel heavy, calm, comfortable and relaxed. Your toes feel heavy, relaxed on the ground. The bottoms of your feet and your heels feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your shins and the backs of your calves begin to feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your knees and your thighs heavy in your seat. Your hips feel relaxed, comfortable and calm in the chair. Your lower back and belly are all feeling heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your middle back relaxing down, melting down, slowly and gently. Your upper back and shoulders begin to relax, feeling heavy, comfortable and calm. Your neck, the back of your head and top of your head, and even your forehead all begin to feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your eyelids and ears feel heavy. Your nose and mouth, cheeks, jaw and chin all begin to feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm, as though they're gently moving, melting downwards. Your shoulders and upper arms feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. Your elbows and forearms feel heavy and relaxed in your lap. Your hands and even each finger on your hands begins to feel heavy, relaxed, comfortable and calm. And as you feel your body relaxing, bring your mind to the ocean. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful day. The sky is clear, except for perhaps a gentle cloud here or there floating through the sky, ever so calmly. You feel the sun warm, but not too hot on your skin. It's the perfect temperature. You feel a little breeze just tickle your cheek and rush through your hair. And it feels so perfect here. Your relaxed and heavy feet feel so warm, not too hot, just right, blanketed in the soft sand. And you watch the waves rolling in and back out, in and back out. You hear that gentle whoosh of the ocean, and it feels so right to be here. Just like breathing in and out, the waves go back and forth, back and forth. You can smell that sandy, salty, beachy air. It's so familiar, and it's so perfect. Far away, you can see two seagulls just gently dancing in the sky, gliding around, playing together. And you may see a boat far off along the horizon line, ever so gently gliding by. It feels so perfect here. Smells beachy, sandy, relaxing, beautiful. The beautiful sounds of the ocean, that calming wave back and forth, the way it has always been and the way it will always be. So soothing. And you can come back to this place anytime you like. All you have to do is imagine yourself here. I'm going to count backwards from 10, and when I get to 1, you can open your eyes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Feel free to open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed our little trip to the beach today. Feel free to watch this video, do this mindfulness exercise as much as you'd like, or practice on your own. The more you practice, the better you'll become at relaxing your body, relaxing your breathing, and relaxing your mind. Feel free to email me or call me with any comments or questions about this video, or if you have any suggestions for other mindfulness exercises that you'd like to see me do. Enjoy.